What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series with an awesome new spray out. As usual, I got my fender prepped up behind me. I got two Rustoleum colors that we're going to two-tone it with, and an awesome new pearl from Eyecandy Pigments. Well, the two Rustoleum colors we're going to be using today are Gloss Real Orange and Gloss Black, a go-to for many color shifts, many pearls, just to get a crazy effect over top of it. And the pearl I'm using today is Kakiiro Orange from Eyecandy. I picked up a sample pack, so I'm going to be spraying it out for you guys today, and we're going to see what this Eyecandy pigment stuff will really do. If you remember, I did a spray out not too far ago where I did a hood, and I did it in 4 different pigments, and you guys all unanimously, for the most part, said Eyecandy Pigments was the winner. So I got an assortment of pearls from them, KP Pigments, all the top brands. I'm going to be spraying them out over time and letting you guys rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. So today, I'm going to get the two-tone on my fender with this real orange and with this gloss black so we get a good widespread view of what this pearl can do. I'm excited to see what it does over a gloss black. I think it's going to be something crazy. But I don't know, we're going to find out. We're going to two-tone it, and then we'll get to spraying some Eyecandy. So let's get into today's video. So we got our two Rustoleum colors laid on this fender back here, and I ain't gonna lie, right there in the middle I had a little bit of an issue, had a small little run, and I had to get it out. My OCD was just killing me with it, but it shouldn't affect the overall finish, and ultimately this is just a test fender, but I want to be completely transparent with you guys. If you see anything at all, that's what it is what it is. So today I'm using my Speedo Coat Clear. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium temp activator. It's about 75 degrees out, so perfect for this activator. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in this mix right here. I've got 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of activator. Easy enough measurement, right? That should be good. And then we're moving over to this exciting new Eyecandy Pigments Kakiiro Orange. Now, if you saw my Lamborghini Orange video a few ago, I used this gloss orange right here, same color, and used a yellow gold pearl to kind of mimic Lamborghini Orange. Now, I got a feeling this is going to do a lot of the same thing, because a lot of times with these orange pigments, they kind of go for like a gold undertone, which is really, really cool. I'm trying to get a good bit in the mix, but not too much. This is about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Get it on a teaspoon so I can show that to you. I'm going to dump that in the mix. And then, as usual, I'm going to bring you guys in close with this Eyecandy pigment so you can see it in the mix. Alright guys, so that's Eyecandy Kakiiro Orange. Like I said, a lot of gold undertones, but it is an orange pearl. There it is in the mix. I'm going to get you in screen real good and mix it up. And as I start mixing, like I said, you can see it is primarily orange, but there is a lot of gold pearl in it. And I think this is going to very well mimic Lamborghini Orange, especially over the orange, which will be really, really cool. But I'm really excited to see what it does over this gloss black, because it's not going to keep the same tones. It's going to keep a lot of the gold, but, well, I don't know. We're going to have to just find out by spraying it. So let's load up our gun, and let's see what we get. Alright guys, so I got my Eyecandy pigment loaded up my V-bore gun. This gun has a 1.4 tip. I shoot at 28 PSI. That is wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to do a light coat on this first, followed up by 1 or 2 heavier or to medium coats till I get the desired effect I want, and then we'll take it out in the sun, the light, anything else we got, and show it off and see what we get. So I'm going to put my mask on now. Let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so this is Kakiiro orange over gloss black and real orange. As you can see, heavy gold. Definitely looks just like Lamborghini orange on that side. And on this side, it kind of changes into light, but if you've seen the new Acura Integras, they got a color called Tiger Eye Pearl, and it kind of mimics that just a little bit over the gloss black. But it's crazy to see the flop difference between over the black and over the orange. A lot of people never show you both sides of it, you know. Obviously, this is a safe bet right here, always. But this right here, this was taking a chance for me today, guys. And I really wanted to go outside the box and show you the differences between what you get with different bases with a very cool pearl nonetheless. But you guys let me know what you think. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. KAKKIRO orange over orange and gloss black. Really cool spray out. I enjoyed it a lot. I think I got some very awesome and very interesting results, but ultimately it's not up to me, it's up to you guys. Here comes the fun part. You get it rated 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. If you want to buy anything you saw used in this video, obviously my links will be in the description. You'll be able to check everything out as seen on YouTube. You click that link, it takes you to my Amazon storefront, and you can purchase clear, pearls, all kinds of stuff there, guys. We get a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra. You get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. If you made it this far in the video, I really do hope you'll hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And drop me a like and comment. What crazy combinations or what different pearls would you like to see next? And we have tons of different spray outs. I'm coming up on, I think, 8 months of doing this right here. I started Thanksgiving of last year, and we're over 60 episodes strong now on Custom Mix. So feel free to go back and watch any of my episodes. There's tons of them. And we're going to keep right on rolling, guys. I'm going to keep doing spray outs and bringing you awesome content the best I can. But I appreciate you guys for watching today. Hope you'll like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless. And I'll see you guys on the next spray out.